What's up, y'all? So I've been a little intermittent about my videos. I am going to be trying to post more, like I said before. But today we have me, Redline Roberts, and Ray, which is pulling his nice welding truck around. He built that whole bed on his truck. Maybe we can even do a walk around on it on this if y'all are curious on everything about his truck. He built the bed, built the bumper, everything. But today we were working on my F-350. I don't know if y'all have seen it before, but this is the bed that we got on it. Ray and I just got it all centered up to where we want it. We're going to go in here. He's gonna come in here, we're gonna weld here all the way around. And then for right now, it's bolted down in the center. But there's Ray's truck over there. But yeah, that's what we're working on. Ray's gonna do some run through on it for us. All right, this is Ray. He's a cool guy. This right here is his truck with this whole welding setup. But like, I don't know. Remember I said that he made his bed. So he made this whole thing. If y'all want to see more on his bed and everything he built on the truck, just let me know. Hey Ray, I have a question. Would you be interested in like later on, if people in the vlog were interested in like you telling them everything you built for your truck, would you be interested in it?
Oh yeah, I'd tell them what I built.
Yeah, do like a walk around and like a whole thing of your truck.
Yeah.
What year is it again? 2008 F-350, 6.4 liter. I like his truck. I love his truck.
The bed's
27-year-old bed.
Built the bumper when I was 30.
All right, so Ray went to go take care of something real quick. He has been showing me some different things on welding. I'll show you real quick. Here's our little practice piece. A lot of that stuff shouldn't be on there. Let me find my, where's my brush? There's my brush. So he was showing me like stuff to do and stuff not to do. The only stuff I really did was like this side right here. So I still have a lot of work to go, and then I did this one right here. But he's been showing me a lot, and I've been having an absolute blast with it. And so he tacked it. I've done one corner of the bed. Gotta do the others. Now I gotta wait for him to get back because I'm running into trouble again. I don't know why I can't the rod keeps sticking to the truck and it won't weld, and so I gotta have him teach me why it's doing that. But it's definitely fun little project, fun thing to learn, and maybe it'll help me with some future projects. All right, well, gonna wrap it up for tonight. I did one side of the welds. Ray had to go back over and fix some of my stuff, but I'm still learning. Show y'all. Did up in there and over here, and the other side we're gonna do later because the other side has the fuel tanks, so we gotta be a little bit more careful about that. So we're gonna get one of those fire retardant or fireproof blankets. But it's on there for now. Flatbed on the truck. If you want to see more progress on the F-350 or some of the other things, just hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll give you more updates on it. If you want to see kind of like a breakdown on Ray's truck on his whole welding setup, put down in the comments that you want to see that. Otherwise, we'll see you all in the next video. Y'all have a good night.